Hello friends, in this video I will guide you through how to fix driver cannot load on this device, specifically the ene.sys issue. To start, go to your File Explorer and navigate to your OS drive, usually on your local disk, then Windows. Double-click on the folder to open it. Next, scroll down and find the CYS or System32 folder, then double-click on it. Inside this folder, locate the drivers folder and double-click on it. Find the ene.sys file. Right-click on it, hit Rename, and type in ene.sys.oss. Click Yes to confirm, then close the folder and restart your computer. If this doesn't resolve the issue, open the System Updates window. Click Check for Updates, then navigate to Advanced Options and click on Optional Updates. Install all available updates, download and install, and then restart your computer. If you're using MSI Dragon Center, AeroSync, or iQ, open it and use the built-in live update feature to install all updates and then restart your computer. Don't forget to restart your computer after updating to resolve the ene.sys issue. Thank you for watching Quick Tweak.